Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our advanced spoken English classes Bhilai 3. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Now here I am going to deliver my speech. The topic of my speech is education. So without wasting any time, let's start it. Good evening, the excellencies, distinguished guests, respected teacher and all dear my friends. Education. This word education, it is so powerful. Without education, can you imagine the school or colleges? I think no one can imagine without education the school and college. So it is very important for all of us. Education is like weapon. We use like weapon that helps us to remove poverty, discrimination, gender discrimination, inequality and negativity. And with the help of education, we fulfill our desire. If someone wants to get success in his or her life, they need to educate first. If we educate, so we can serve our area, our country. If we want to, and that country there where the people so educated, this is the real assets of this country. And if someone want to become a great leader and doctor, an engineer, artisan, and entrepreneurship and so on. So we need firstly that is education. With the help of education, we can do whatever we want. We can wander across the world. We can go anywhere, everywhere. And education is it is a continuous process. It is a not for single days and twice in a day, and it is a long process, and it starts from the when we child we born, that day we born, that till die. It's continuous process. We learning something. It's continuous process. Education is like healthy food. Healthy food helps us to live. It is healthy foods gives us internally and externally. It's help us. Like similarly, education is also provide us and internally, like if we educated, then we feel strong. We feel so confident, and externally our personality tells about us what is I am and who is I am real. Education, the main aim of education is not earn money. In addition to money, they provide so many things. It is compare than money more important, like social status, our attitude, our personality, and so many positive attitudes. The education is the only way to remove all the bad habits, all the negativity, inequality, gender discrimination, color discrimination, and so on. So we need to, if we want to give something, we want to dedicate some of our country. So firstly, we should aware across the world, across the country, over the country, what's the importance of education. So I requested to all of you, please spread this news, spread this information. So the importance of education, because in ancient time, education is not so prevalent. The poor family, they consider they only work for 2 times meal, and so because of this they don't send their student, they don't send their children to school. So we need to aware about this, and with the help of internet when the invention of internet, it's very easy to learn something, learn many things from anywhere. So we have had to spread this news, spread this information, and this all about my speech, and thank you very much.